Hey guys, welcome back to SM Locks. I'm Scott, and this evening we've got this 50mm Ace padlock. It's a brass bodied with a hardened steel shackle. I've got a key. So there's a button. We'll get this locked up and we'll get it picked. I'm going to use a bent wiper insert for top of the keyway tension, and then I'll start at the front of the lock. Nothing on 1, click on 2 and into a full set, click on 3 with a wee bit of counter rotation there, maybe click on 4 and counter rotation, and I click on, it was 4 again, counter rotation, then I click on 5 and counter rotation, and I click on 1, 3 again, there was nothing on 2 and I was passing, 4, there's a click on 4. Go back to the start because I think I've overset something somewhere. And once go to 2. Oh, there we go. I dropped 3. Click on 1 and it's open. So when I was setting pin 5, I must have dropped pin 3 a little bit. A wee tap had got it set, and then it was just pin 1. So yeah, that's it. So I think it's Ace hardware. They're not that common over here, I don't think. I can't remember where I got this one from, but that's that picked. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And if you've got any suggestions, any comments, then just leave them below and I'll get back to you. Again, thanks for watching.